Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change theme on your group chat on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on your group and click here. Here you will find theme, click on it, and now just choose any theme you want, for example this theme, and click select. That's it. That's how to change theme on your group chat on your account on Messenger, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.